In this video, you'll learn how to run Paperclip AI locally on your computer. This process involves using the command prompt to launch the application and accessing its dashboard through your web browser. Begin by locating the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can access various system tools and applications. Once you have identified the taskbar, proceed to the next step. Click on the search icon in the taskbar. This will open a search box where you can enter commands and find applications installed on your system. After the search box appears, you can move on to the next action. Type CDN into the search box. This command will help you access the command prompt, which is essential for running Paperclip AI. Once you see command prompt in the search results, select it to open the application. With the command prompt open, type Paperclip AI run and press the enter key. This command initiates the Paperclip AI application. After entering the command, you may need to wait a moment as the application loads. The time it takes to load can vary based on your computer's performance. Once Paperclip AI has finished loading, you will see a message in the command prompt that indicates it is running. At this point, look for the URL displayed on the screen, which should read http://7.0.0.1:310. Copy this URL for the next step. Now open Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. This is where you will access the Paperclip AI dashboard. Wait for the browser to fully launch before proceeding to the next action. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. This is where you will enter the URL you copied earlier. After clicking the address bar, ensure it is active and ready for input. Type in http://127.0.0.10.0 and press the enter key. This action directs your browser to the Paperclip AI dashboard. Depending on your computer's speed, the dashboard may take a moment to load. After a brief loading period, you should see the Paperclip AI dashboard displayed in your browser. This interface allows you to interact with the application and utilize its features effectively. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next You in There